Yeah, first one last year, unbelievable event, really good, really good. The track was immense. The organisation was brilliant. It ranged from all classes, like from top British riders right down to your novice, but everyone seemed to enjoy it. It was the best.
It was a chance to fulfil dreams, really. I've dreamt of racing top flight motocross since I was a little kid. Never thought I'd get there, and then the two-stroke festival came along.
Yeah, there's no better way to spend your weekends, mate, than racing with a bunch of good guys on properly prepped tracks.
The guys who are going to be there, some top British boys, so it's going to be hard racing, and it's going to be a good old time for sure.
When you get all two strokes together, the sound, like the smell, and the people, they're just so much happier. It's brilliant.
I used to have my brother's old bike.
How are you doing this weekend? Are you at the top 10?
Don't know.
You don't know?
I had a really good day. I pole qualifying and won all 3 of my races, so couldn't really got much better results wise. Quick British Championship boys, like it's mega to come and do a race like this just to race, but you know, have a much more relaxed atmosphere and do something different because it keeps it all fun. And then for the hobby riders as well, I mean, it's awesome for those guys as well because there's no pressure, you know, it just is what it is, just come and ride round and everyone's here for a good crack. So yeah, no, there's something for everyone. It's a really, really good event, really good event.
Yeah, track was mega, good atmosphere, just a great weekend overall. Get to the next one.
It's out on my calendar, and yeah, just come and have some fun. This is not going to be serious for me at all, but you know, I'm a racer, so when I get behind the start gate, I'm going to want to try and win it. So then it might not be so fun, it'll be a little bit serious.
Turning up here will just be a good fun weekend out. It's pretty local to me, so why not support it?
I've been looking to do a motocross race for quite a while. You know, saw the two-stroke festivals and was like, you know what, I need to get back at this and need to get back racing. So sign on, bring a two-stroke and bring your motocross gear, and you know, I'm practicing here today and ready for the race at the end of August.
My name's Archie Titthorpe. I'm 10 years old and I ride an 85 small wheel.
I'm Alfie Walton, I ride a small 85 and I'm 12 years old.
My name's Louis Wallace, I'm 10 years old and I'm riding a KTM 65 today.
My name's Ryan Cliff and I ride a Husqvarna 50 TC.
My name's Kyron Karen and I ride a 85 KTM CC.
I'm Liam Bennett, number 5, and I ride a Biggle 85 KTM.
My name's Rico Taylor and my number's 44 and I ride a YZ 65.
My name's Jack Davis, I'm 12 years old and I ride a YZ small 85.
My name's Dawson Peedle. I'm riding a KTM 65 and I'm number 472.
I'm Theo Richardson and I'm riding KX65.
I'm Archie Atkinson and I ride a KTM 65.
My name is Joseph Mortada, I'm 13 years old and I ride a KTM 85.
My name's Alfie Osborne and I ride a KTM 65cc.
My name's Harrison Davis and I ride a YZ 65.
Yeah, so just finished up this two-stroke festival, my first one, and yeah, really happy with how the weekends went. I've had a load of fun, ended up winning the overall, won 3 races on the 150 against the 250, so yeah, good battles and loads of fun.
I'm really excited about today. We've got 5 lucky winners that are coming up that basically have competed in the Apico two-stroke festival. You know, they're going to be like kids in a sweet shop and being able to select and choose whatever they like.
It's been such a good day today. We've just been walking around, even just down to meeting all the staff who work here.
It's really cool. It's kind of the best day of my life. Feels like a dream.
I've never really got this type of kit and it just looks really nice.
I'm very proud of the people that we've chosen. I'm very proud of the people that we work with. And I'm very proud of what we've achieved with the Apico two-stroke festival. We've definitely set a benchmark and the rest have just got to follow.